What if black holes aren't what we thought, and inside them lies the key to uniting all of physics? A new scientific breakthrough just challenged the very idea of a black hole's core. No more infinite density, no more broken physics. Scientists say they've replaced the singularity with a real, physical structure, a dense, quantum object that could finally make Einstein's gravity and quantum mechanics work together. Why does this matter? Because for over 100 years, we've been stuck trying to explain how gravity works at the smallest scale. This model might be the first real path to quantum gravity. Even crazier, this theory predicts that black holes might bounce matter back out through a white hole. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's grounded in real math. This could reshape how we see the universe, from the Big Bang to what happens when stars die. It's not just about black holes, it's about the fabric of reality itself. So, is this the beginning of a quantum gravity revolution? Stay curious, because space might be hiding more than just stars.